10 tips to control emotions. 1. Breathe deeply. Taking slow, deep breaths can help you calm down and regain control over your emotions. 2. Identify the source. Try to identify what is causing the emotions and focus on addressing the root cause. 3. Count to 10. Take a moment to pause and count to 10 before reacting to a situation. 4. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that make you feel good, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. 5. Reframe your thoughts. Try to reframe negative thoughts into positive ones to help shift your perspective. 6. Use positive self-talk. Speak kindly to yourself and use positive affirmations to help manage your emotions. 7. Seek support. Talk to a trusted friend or family member, or seek professional help if you need it. 8. Avoid unhealthy coping mechanisms. Avoid turning to drugs, alcohol, or other unhealthy coping mechanisms to manage your emotions. 9. Take a break. Step away from the situation and take a break to help calm down and regain perspective. 10. Practice mindfulness. Focus on the present moment and observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment.